Okay, guys, we're here for the drawing. I'm going to draw a name out of this bowl. I've got 18 comments, people that commented, and I put their names on these papers, and I'm going to put it on the table here, and I'm going to turn the camera down. Let's see. I'm going to cover it up. Oh, look at clean that off. Okay, my hand's going in. And the winner is Monica Barnes. Oh my God. Congratulations, Monica. I will send out one of these items to you as soon as you get back to me and tell me which one you want. The beach cup, the Jasper pendant, that's the Tree of Life. There's the back. Or the art piece, which you probably don't want. But anyway. Thank you, everybody who commented. I really appreciate everyone who was in on the giveaway. So I will contact you, Monica, just in case you don't see this video right away, so that you'll know that you are the winner. Monica Barnes. From Monica Barnes Art. So if anybody's watching this and you haven't seen any of her videos, go give her some love. And congratulate her on winning this giveaway. So, yeah. Thanks again, guys. I really appreciate the love that you guys have given me. And hopefully we will have lots more videos to come, and you guys will enjoy them all. So, thanks, and we will see you next time. Bye.